How would you like to annoy some friends and family members this holiday season? Introducing the Annoying Gift Box. Featuring 11 screws, your friends and family members will absolutely love you for making them do a little extra work on their holiday time off. And believe me, you have to remove every single one of these screws to open this box up. The Annoying Gift Box can hold gift cards, cash, and other small objects nice and tight. You just put everything back together. Check out the Annoying Gift Box now on the TikTok shop.